Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax with the CDTFA using an easy method. First, ensure you know your assigned filing frequency, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. Next, meticulously gather all your sales records, including your total gross sales and any applicable deductions or exemptions. Finally, navigate to the CDTFA official online services portal to initiate the filing process for your sales tax return. Once you are logged into the CDTFA portal, you will begin by accurately inputting your total gross sales into the designated field on the online form. It is crucial to include all sales before any deductions. Then, carefully enter any allowable deductions, such as sales made for resale or other tax-exempt transactions. The system will then help you calculate the total sales tax due based on your reported figures and the applicable tax rates. Before finalizing your submission, take a moment to thoroughly review all the data you have entered for accuracy. Double-check your gross sales, deductions, and the calculated tax amount to prevent errors. Next, confirm your preferred payment method. Electronic funds transfer is a common and efficient option. Finally, submit your completed sales tax return well before the due date to avoid any potential penalties or interest charges. Remember to maintain detailed records of all your sales and tax transactions for a minimum of 4 years, as this is essential for audits. If you encounter any complex filing situations or have specific questions, do not hesitate to utilize the various resources available on the CDTFA website or contact their support. Also, for those looking for great deals and to stay hydrated, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Filing accurately helps your business thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.